Hey, it's Scott here at DI Roof Seamers, the source for all your roof seaming equipment. And today, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our can opener. Not this one, this one. This is our can opener, a roof removal machine for mechanically seamed panels. This will make taking off a roof incredibly easy, and we'll do it in a fraction of the time of doing this by hand. The can opener will cut through the male and the female legs of the panel, as well as the clips in between. Then you simply pick up the panels and remove them. It is very simple to load on the panel as well. Put the front station on the panel with the back two stations hanging off. Then lock the handle in, and it will pull itself along, cutting as it goes. Operating is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Flip the switch to choose what direction to run it in, connect your extension cord, and then hit the power switch. Once it has run the length of the panel, you move to the next one, then the next one, and then the next one. Now you're ready to remove your panels and dispose of them. As you can see, our can opener can save you a lot of time and a lot of hassle. So be sure to rent one for your next roof removal job and get to roofing faster.
Hey Scott, where's the can opener?